In today's video, I'll show you how to type a cube symbol in PowerPoint, a quick and handy trick for anyone working with mathematical notation or creative projects. Whether it's for a school assignment, a business presentation, or a design project, this is a simple skill that can make your slides look more professional. First, open PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to work on. If you don't have one ready, just create a new slide where you'd like to add the cubed symbol. Next, click on the text box where you want the symbol to appear and make sure your cursor is active and blinking. Now here's the trick. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, then type 0179 using your numeric keypad. When you release the Alt key, the degree symbol will instantly appear. If it doesn't show up, make sure you're typing the numbers on the numeric keypad and not the number row above your letters. This shortcut works because of Unicode, a universal coding system that lets you type symbols and special characters not found directly on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a cube symbol into your PowerPoint slide. Practice this a few times and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more quick PowerPoint tips.